What's up investors, and welcome back to another video. Today I want to talk about 3 companies that I've been keeping an eye on and making videos about for the past few months. They have all released big news in the past few days and are all very interesting plays right now. 2 of these companies we've already covered on the channel, and they have released big news this week. The 3rd company I haven't covered on the channel yet, but they have made huge gains over the past few weeks, gaining more than 200% in the past 2 weeks alone and over 900% since the beginning of June. The first company that we're going to talk about today will be NSAV Holdings, ticker NSAV, and the news they've just released. Then I will look at KYNC Capital Group, KYNC, who had a very strong end to the week and released news after hours on Friday. So I expect next week will be a very strong week for this company. And finally, I will talk about a company that I haven't covered yet. This company is called CYBERLUX Corporation, ticker CYBL. This stock has been soaring over the past few months and has been getting a lot of attention recently, but there are some facts that are being overlooked in my opinion, and I will look into this. Before we get into the video, it takes a lot of time to do this research, so if you find any value in this video, can I ask you to smash that like button? It literally costs nothing, but it helps me out so much. And if you haven't already, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell notification. This way you'll get notified when I make new videos just like this one, and it's a great way to show your support for the channel. Help me hit 300 likes on this video. What do you think of each of these companies, and have you invested? Drop a comment below and tell me what you think. I want to point out that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Now let's get into it. The first company on my list is Net Savings Link. This is a cryptocurrency, blockchain and digital asset technology company whose primary focus is to continue making acquisitions and deals in the cryptocurrency sector. They are a holding company focused on diversifying their portfolio by making many diversified acquisitions in the booming crypto sector. NSAV believe that they will be a leading player in the $200 billion annual cryptocurrency market by operating in a similar fashion to a venture capital firm in the crypto, digital asset and blockchain space. However, they are developing their own solutions as well, such as their own cryptocurrency exchange. This cryptocurrency exchange is central to the company's plans going forward and is one of the big reasons for the amount of attention the stock has been getting recently. NSAV became only the 2nd US publicly traded company to own a cryptocurrency exchange following the Coinbase IPO in April, which valued Coinbase at over $85 billion. I have spoken about NSAV in previous videos, so if you don't already know about the company, then I suggest watching this video that I made a couple of weeks ago and dived much deeper into the company, including looking at the business, the management team, the recent news, progress and the company's financial statements. This week, NSAV announced the acquisition of a 40% stake in Hong Kong premium OTC crypto trading desk, HKOTC.co. This is one of Hong Kong's most popular OTC crypto trading services with 16 strategic crypto and blockchain partners including Binance, ZB and BW. HK offers fast settlement, flexible payment methods and secure trading, as unlike other digital asset and Bitcoin exchanges, it doesn't hold clients' assets. As their name suggests, HK is based in Hong Kong. They have an experienced team. This team of traders has been trading Bitcoin in Hong Kong for more than 6 years and leads the industry in terms of reliability, affordability, safety and convenience. And this follows on from last weekend, where NSAV announced the launch of their own premium OTC crypto trading desk. NSAV's desk offers private personalized service to institutions and high net worth individuals that trade large blocks of cryptocurrency. OTC crypto trading desks offer increased liquidity, price protection, fiat support, unlimited purchases and the purchase of rare tokens which are not available on exchanges. For example, in 2019, Kraken acquired major OTC crypto trading desk Circle Trade and is now one of the world's leading OTC crypto trading desks. The company's management believes that having its own OTC crypto trading desk will be a huge benefit to NSAV and all its shareholders as it ascends to the next level. Also in the past few weeks, NSAV announced partnership with LuxFi to launch a real-world luxury asset-backed NFT marketplace which will work directly with retailers and professional experts to eliminate counterfeit items while minting NFTs on a multi-chain blockchain network. According to nonfungible.com, over $2 billion was spent on non-fungible tokens during the first quarter of 2021, an increase of over 2,000% on Q4 2020 and already far surpassing the total $250 million NFT market in 2020. The management of NSAV believes that now is the perfect time to expand into the NFT market, and NSAV is glad to collaborate with LuxFi on this. And looking quickly at the charts, we can see that NSAV is far below its high point. Back in August, NSAV reached as high as 16 cents, but some issues caused this to drop sharply. I feel that the current price of only 29 cents has provided an opportunity to get into this company at a very cheap price. Look at the chart, we are currently near the floor in terms of price action, and I feel that at these prices this offers fantastic upside potential. I rate this very highly on the risk reward scale right now. At this price there is very little risk for huge possible reward. The second company I want to talk about is KYNC Capital Group. On Friday, KYNC launched their new corporate website, where you can now keep up to date with product launches, investor calls and key initiatives taking place at the company. On the website you can find a list of satellite offices, partners and corporate leaders that are helping to drive the company forward in a new direction. With the launch of its website, KYNC Capital Group has made its vision clear to clients as well as investors, its path forward under CEO Rick Wilson. With the launch of the new website, KYNC believes that it will attract many new partners while also increasing its footprint in the cryptocurrency and NFT marketplace. For Rick Wilson, one of many goals at KYNC is to ensure investors fully understand who the company are. In my opinion, this is great for the company. To be taken seriously, every company needs a professional website, and now KYNC have one. And they strongly believe that KYNC Capital Group is well positioned to have a strong revenue growth as a result of many recent company developments. KYNC Capital was originally incorporated in 2004 but became delinquent, and nothing was happening with this company until 2021. The company has repositioned into a holding company for acquisitions and technology development in the entertainment, professional sports, blockchain, cryptocurrency and NFT markets. KYNC's goal is to combine the expertise of team members led by CEO Rick Wilson to create a cohesive force which will carry the company forward in the marketplace. KYNC has been making huge progress in the crypto space ever since CEO Rick Wilson took charge. He is very experienced in the crypto space. He holds positions of president, CFO and chairman of IMD companies and president of Anything Technologies Media Inc. One of the first things that he did when he took over was to retire 400 million unrestricted shares to the company treasury, and this was a fantastic signal of intent to shareholders in my opinion. In June, KYNC launched Coinfold. But this is more than just a crypto trading app. It is a full-service crypto blockchain suite, and this now offers debit cards directly linked to the user's Coinfold account. According to CoinMarketCap.com, the current crypto market is approximately $1.6 trillion. One of the largest complaints against popular exchanges is the extremely high and sometimes confusing fees associated with trading on their platforms. On their new website, we can see that they are building a portfolio of products to empower the next generation. These products include Coinfold Exchange, Coinfold Pay, KYN Home Service Marketplace, and the digital wallet which also serves as the super app named PayHow. And they show a complete list of sectors that they operate in, including crypto, NFTs, real estate, health and wellness and much more. I strongly recommend checking out their new website if you are new to KYNC. This was only launched yesterday, so this is a brand new website. And if you're new to this channel, remember to hit that subscribe button and stay up to date whenever I find new stocks that are about to make huge gains. Incredibly, over 80% of you out there watching my videos are still unsubscribed. Subscribe and find out about these stocks as soon as I make a video instead of finding my videos after the stocks have made huge gains. It costs you nothing, but it could make you a ton of money. And I'm planning to have a new video out tomorrow covering 3 brand new penny stocks that I have not covered on the channel before. These are really exciting. Looking at the charts, we can see that KYNC hit its high point here in August before dropping again sharply. Remember that in its current form, this is a very new company. There was nothing going on until Rick Wilson took over this year. KYNC hit its low point early this week and has been on the up since then, gaining over 20% since Monday. But with news coming after hours on Friday, the effect of this has not happened yet, and I expect this to make big gains next week. Remember, the market cap here is extremely low at around $70 million. So there is huge scope for upward movement. And again, I consider this to be low risk at these prices with a lot of upside potential. Now, when it comes to upside potential, something that we always want to see in these companies that we are invested in, especially over the short term, is to have plenty of catalysts. And KYNC have this. They will be providing updates regarding major milestones during the period of September 15th to October 15th. So the new website is just the beginning, in my opinion. The third company that I'll look at today is CYBERLUX Corporation, ticker CYBL. This is a company that I have not covered on the channel, but it has been requested a lot over the past month, and on Friday they released big news. I am planning on a new penny stock video for companies not yet covered on the channel, and I'm open to suggestions. So if anyone would like me to cover any stock in particular, drop a comment in the comment section and subscribe to the channel. CYBERLUX Corporation designs, develops and sells advanced lighting systems that utilize white, infrared and other LEDs. Their solid-state LEDs are up to 70% more efficient and require significantly less maintenance to operate than traditional lighting systems. Using proprietary technology, CYBL are creating portable systems for the Department of Defense and military markets and lighting products focused on energy efficiency at the lowest possible price. This technology offers extended light life, greater energy efficiency and greater overall cost effectiveness than other existing forms of lighting. CYBERLUX business model is to operate as a prime contractor for the Department of Defense contracts or as an OEM supplier supporting existing prime contractors who hold existing contracts. They supply to the Department of Defense, military and Homeland Security customers and provide product capabilities to companies serving large markets. For the Department of Defense military markets, their tactical illumination system products address the lighting needs of all branches of the military and all government organizations, including the National Guard, the US Air Force and the US Army. So this is fantastic to see. Something that I personally love to see is when a company can get these contracts with government departments. These tend to be big money contracts and government departments are very picky about who they will take on as preferred suppliers. When I first became aware of this company, they were delinquent with their filings and had not filed anything in years, so I was very skeptical. But since the start of August, CYBL has filed several years worth of annual reports and all their 2021 quarterly reports and are now pink current. We can see here that they have been very busy. They have reduced their authorized share level from the current 20 billion share level to 8.75 billion, which is a reduction of 56%. They have implemented a no reverse split policy, preventing the company from a reverse stock split for up to 5 years. Their outstanding share balance includes 700 million phantom restricted shares that will never be tradable, therefore improving equity valuation for shareholders by 16%. And they have set out their growth plans, which offers major catalysts for the coming months and into next year, including new contracts, products, acquisitions, key hires and strategic IP. On Friday, CYBERLUX announced a partnership with Strike Group to drive the adoption, contracting and revenue of the Flight Eye drone solutions products and the CYBERLUX infrastructure products. Strike Group is a world leader in sustainable logistics, infrastructure delivery and material sourcing for US agencies and Department of Defense and the commercial contracting marketplace with expertise in distribution, logistics and infrastructure delivery. Strike Group manages worldwide logistics programs for the US Marine Corps, so this is huge. This is the type of partnership that most OTC companies can only dream of, and it gets better. Under the terms of the agreement, Strike Group will provide marketing, sales, contracting and delivery support for the CYBERLUX Flight Eye drone solutions products and infrastructure products, access to senior government decision makers and access to specific US agency requirements for ongoing CYBERLUX technology. They will leverage the significant CYBERLUX engineering and product development know-how to help drive the company to industry leadership in the UAS market. Now importantly, with this partnership, CYBERLUX plans to introduce advanced solutions in both the UAS and infrastructure product space and expects to drive more than $20 million in contract revenue during the first 3 years of the Strike Group relationship. So this is all fantastic, and this all follows on from news earlier in the month that CYBERLUX had acquired CTMC Drone Solutions, which provided the company an entrance into the drone solutions market And as we can see here, it has been a very busy few weeks for CYBERLUX. Now, what does concern me about CYBERLUX is the fact that despite having a share price of only 0.0445, the company already has a market capitalization of over $240 million. Now, although this is not a big market cap, and even if we reduce this by the 16% regarding the phantom shares, we still get a market cap of over $200 million. So let's have a quick look at the financial statements to see what we get for our shares. As we can see here, the company has total assets of $170,000 and total liabilities of over $5 million. They have a revenue for the 3-month period of $367,000, giving the company a net profit of $194,000 for 3 months. I've seen some people comment that this stock could run to over $1, but I can't see any possible way for that to happen. I'm not trying to bash this stock here, but even if we went as high as 20 cents, which is possible, that would give CYBL a market capitalization of over $1 billion, which I think is way above what the company is currently worth. But this is a company where we are looking at the long-term potential or short-term catalysts for investment, not the current revenue or the current value. However, despite the contracts and relationships with government departments, and despite upcoming catalysts, I personally will not be buying into CYBL. So guys, that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Drop it a like if you did. If you've watched all the way through, then fair play. I hope I've shared some information with you that you weren't already aware of, and I hope you found value in this video. And if you're new around here, remember to hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Follow me on Twitter and join the Facebook group. All links in the description. Are you invested in any of these stocks, and what price targets for these do you have? As I said before, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. These videos are giving you my opinions, and if anyone is looking into buy any of these companies, I encourage you to do your own research. Thanks for watching the video, catch you in the next one.